Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine. This is Praveen from Coded, and in this tutorial I am going to show you how to implement push notification using Firebase in React Native. So without wasting any time, let's get started. In part 1 of this tutorial we have covered the Firebase installation. If you haven't seen that video, link is in the description as well as in the I button. Now let's move forward. So now let's head towards the push notification setup. For that, search React Native push notification in the browser and click on the npm link. So first we install this library with copying this command and paste it inside our terminal. As auto linking does most of the work, but we have to do some manual installation. So we'll give this two permissions to Android by copying these two lines and paste it in Android manifest.xml file. Also copy this bunch of code and paste it inside the same file, but this time inside the application tag. Also we have to create this colors.xml file inside this path. So if this is not present inside the file, here I will add a new file called colors.xml. And in that file I will copy this code and paste inside colors.xml. So we have already added the class path, but I'll still cross check it. Now here I will add this Google service plugin which I have skipped earlier inside the build.gradle file of the application, and make sure that this line should be the very last line of the file, otherwise you may get an error. So these are other some step you have to follow if you are not using auto linking, but I am using auto linking, so I will skip this step and move forward to usage. So to use this library, first I will copy this to import statement and paste inside my app.js file. First I will import Firebase from React Native Firebase. And inside component did mount, I will initialize it by writing firebase dot initialize app in bracket this. Now I will copy the rest of the code from push notification and paste it inside the component did mount of app.js file. So all the configuration is done and we are ready to go for the testing. For testing I will first run my app by writing React Native run Android in my terminal. And go to Firebase page from the browser. Inside the dashboard, scroll down for drawer and go to cloud messaging. Inside the cloud messaging page, click on the send your first message button. Insert your notification title and notification text. You also can see the preview of the notification in the right side of the page. As you can see, I have write the title as Codit, my channel name, and notification text as a subscriber to Codit. So if you haven't subscribed, so subscribe if you are still here for the latest video by clicking that button. You can skip this other two steps as they are optional, and press on the review and then on publish button. But you can see there is not any notification on the screen, and that is because right now the application is in the foreground state, and the push notification is working on only background state. To run it in a foreground state, you need to make some changes, which is right now I am not going to do it. So for working, let's close this application and make it run in the background state, and I will try to send the notification again. And here comes the push notification. As you can also get inside the application by clicking on that notification. So this is the way you can send the notification from Firebase to your application. Hope you like this video. Hope you learned something. If you learned something, please consider subscribing this channel, as I upload one video every week. So this is from my side, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.